Hello. In this video, you'll get familiar with the fundamentals of Docker. You'll learn how to work with containers, manage them, and set up professional development environments. If you're new to Docker, don't worry. This tutorial starts from the basics and guides you step by step to help you become a Docker expert. This course is priced at €12 on Udemy with a 40% discount, but I have some exciting news for you. You can get this course absolutely free. No payment, no hidden costs. This is a golden opportunity to learn Docker from scratch to advanced level and upgrade your skills with no limitations. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any other search engine you use. From the search results, click on the link to access the site. To ensure you're directed to the correct page, make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly as shown in the search bar. Double-check that the link is typed correctly, and then click on it to be redirected to the desired page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, you can directly view the latest Udemy courses offered with special discount coupons. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the provided link. The course page will open for you, and you can view the course details here. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to pay attention to the expiration date to be able to access the discount coupon for this course. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. I got this course completely free from gotodiscounts.com, and now I'm sharing this amazing opportunity with you. But pay attention. This discount isn't permanent, it's only available for the next 4 days. After that, you'll have to pay for the course. Don't miss out, take action now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any discounts or tutorials. Your support helps us bring more free courses to you. Until the next video, take care.